In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Outlook account on Gmail. This convenient integration lets you manage your Outlook emails directly from your Gmail interface, streamlining your workflow by having everything in one place. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you get a seamless setup. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the Google search page and look for information on integrating your Outlook account with Gmail. Although this might seem unnecessary, it's always good to read extensively to ensure you're following the latest and most reliable methods. Now, assuming you're set to proceed, go ahead to Gmail and log into the account where you wish to integrate your Outlook emails. You'll be needing access to both accounts, Gmail and Outlook, as you go through this process. Once you're logged into Gmail, direct your attention to the settings, usually indicated by a gear icon. Click on it and then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page with numerous tabs where you'll find an option labeled Accounts and Import. Click on that as this is where all the magic happens. Now, within the Accounts and Import tab, you're looking for the option that says Add a Mail Account. Upon clicking, a window will pop up prompting you to enter the email address of the account you intend to import. Type in your Outlook email address here and proceed by clicking Next. The next step involves choosing the action you want to take with the account. The system will ask whether you want to link accounts with the option of importing emails from your other account into Gmail. Select your preferred option and click Next. Now, you'll be asked to input your Outlook account details. Make sure you have your Outlook login credentials at hand. Enter them accurately in the required fields. Once this is done, Gmail will guide you through the necessary server settings. It's pretty intuitive, so just follow along closely. After entering all the necessary information, click Add Account, and Gmail will attempt to verify everything. If your details are correct, a confirmation will let you know that your accounts are linked. At this point, Gmail starts pulling in emails from your Outlook account. Head back to your inbox, and you should start seeing your Outlook emails appear. Congratulations! You are now all set to manage your Outlook emails directly from your Gmail account seamlessly. This not only makes it convenient, but also enhances email management efficiency. Remember, you can always revisit the settings to make adjustments as needed. Enjoy the simplicity of having your emails all in one place, making your digital life just a bit easier. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.